When applying for a home loan, there are a few key things to keep in mind to ensure you are getting the approval you want and need. For example, adding an earning family member with a good credit score as a co-applicant is a great way to ensure you'll get the approval you're looking for. Check your credit score regularly so that you can take corrective steps to enhance it, especially if it's low. Use Equifax.ca to pull your own credit report online, as this is the most trusted and reputable credit agency by mortgage brokers. Remember to order the report that shows your score. Pulling your own report ensures you don't get a hit on your score. A score of at least 700 or more is ideal. Paying off your debts can help build a good credit score, which in turn will enhance your home loan eligibility. Remember not to take out new credit, quit your job, or deposit large sums of cash into your bank account when looking to get approved for a home loan. If you have any questions regarding home loan pre-approvals, or if you're planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months, call us 905-334-5883. We're here to help.